For something like uranium, a lot of the stocks involved in the uranium space are going to be smaller and just more difficult to find good information on. So you would want to be probably sticking to some of the major ETFs that incorporate a broad swath of the companies in the theme. We've talked about URNM is one of the ETFs. There are a couple of Sprott ETFs. And I don't think we have to get too cute or fancy with something like uranium and getting real extraneous names. Now, that said, at the conference, I learned about some really interesting smaller miners in the space, and they might take exception with smaller. One of them considers himself like the largest producer in Canada of the uranium element itself. But that gets into a whole new slew of considerations when you're looking at individual companies that have other considerations with management, with how many shares they might issue in the future if they decide to refinance and they want more money and they dilute some of the current shares. It introduces like single stock risk.